in a dark night of the soul, kind of a crossroads, probably before I married my ex-husband, and my divorce actually went down at the courthouse right here in the square. So it's actually apropos. I'm singing this song and Eddie's out tonight.
Summer Rain and Rick Kline, give them a nice warm up.
What would you do to be happy? What would you give to throw it all away? Who decides what your destiny is? Night after night and day after day. Sitting alone, wondering how do I begin? What's my purpose and where do I fit in? Scroll through the future, pictures of my life. Search for a sign, but just can't find the lights. Just want someone to hold. Say I got you and I'll never let go. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to need? I'm standing on the edge and it's too dark to see. Itching and scratching to claw my way up. Just want a taste of your golden love. Teach me, use me, show me where I stand. I'm getting tired of playing this long hand. Just want someone to hold. Say I got you and I'll never let go. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to need? I'm standing on the edge, standing on the edge, standing on the edge. Just want someone to hug, to say I got you and I'll never let go. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to need? I'm standing on the edge and it's too dark, too dark to see. Sometimes it's ask, just ask for what you need. Sometimes it's harder to give than to see. Sometimes it's hard to see the in-between. Should I go? Should I stay? Or should I leave? Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to need? 'Cause I'm standing on the edge and it's too dark to see. What would you do to be happy? What would you give to throw it all away?